Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the display and brightness option. Once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here you have the appearance category, and under the appearance you will see the slider, and you can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the icons on the left or right side of the slider, or by using the crown by rotating it. And once you're done adjusting, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the screen brightness in the phone application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. So I'm gonna bring my iPhone here. Okay, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the iPhone, like that. Okay, and on the iPhone that is paired with our watch, we can open the watch application. In the app, you will see my watch page. Now scroll down, tap on the display and brightness, and here you can adjust the brightness of the screen by sliding on the slider. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.